Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to announce my first biggest income from Google. Yes, Google. Thanks to Google. Again, how I made this and where I made, let me show you. It's none other than Google News. All you have to do is copy and paste. I will be showing you what I did to get this $2,000 in just 2 weeks. And I'm really excited. So let's get started. All you have to do is go to your search engine, any search engine, it does not matter, and search Google News. There you will be redirected to Google News. You will find all types of news here, starting from health, science, animals, daily, world, everything. Today we will be concentrating on science. It depends on what you are going to concentrate. All you have to do is just take the good topic from these news, the one which interests you. That's all you need to do. I will be choosing science. So let's click on science. There, I'm going to choose, I think this is better. Yeah, sure. The main point, please note it down. You have to take from different articles or different topics or different parts of the article or news so that it just not gets the copyright. I am going to select it, copy, and the next part. In your search engine, type Spin Boot. This is the platform where it will change all your paragraph into completely a new and more attractive content. Paste it, confirm the CAPTCHA, and there you go. You have a very nice, different content, completely different if you read and understand it. This is what you're going to copy and paste it in the next coming money-making platforms. So go ahead. Search in this search bar of Cider Club guidelines. It will redirect you to editorial guidelines. There you will find information of how much they're going to pay you, what are the rules. All you have to do is take their email address and paste what content you have made. Make sure in the title you type submission and submit it and wait for their reply. Surely they will give you a reply soon. The very next one is eatingwell.com. Here they provide nutrition articles. These nutrition articles are about food, recipes, and it's all been seen worldwide. They pay you very good money. All you have to do is fill up the form as I show you. Click on the contact us. You will be redirected to where you can contact them. Here you will find writer's guidelines. Click on it. You will receive all the information about where, how much they will pay in here. All you have to do is click on fill up the form after reading everything and understanding. Make sure everything is not being accepted. Only the one will be accepted will be paid to you. So keep sending them emails and forms, but don't expect returns. From almost 10, I received 3 OKs. Choose about health, nutrition, food recipes in here from Google News or any other platform you understand. Spin boot and then paste it in the fill form. The very next one is Text Broker. This is a platform where you write, they will pay for whatever articles you are up to. Here, what you have to do, click on I write content on top corner and click on payments. It will redirect you to where you have to submit your article. They don't pay much, but a lot better than nothing. So get started and fill up the forms in this website as well. Here they have all the information about how much they will pay, what are the rules, and how much you will get per word you're gonna write for them. Click on new registrations and click on an author to earn money. Sign up and get started to work with them. This was not available in my country, but it does not matter. It's available worldwide. So, thank you for watching. Come again for new updates.